If you are looking for a great portable MacBook charger block, you're absolutely going to love this. This is the 140 volt. You're going to get 2 of these. So this is exactly what it looks like right here. So super small and compact, which I like. Easy to take with you on the go. One of my favorite parts about this is you have these 3 ports right here. So you could do the USB-C over here, and then you have 2 USB. This pops out just like that, so you can put it in the outlet. The nice part about this is it does not take up a lot of space. They're easy to take with you on the go. And if you ever work in a cafe or something, it is super annoying if you're using the original charger because it just takes up so much space. You don't have that issue with this. You could literally just plug this in, put your MacBook charger into here, and you are good to go. Also like the fact you got the 2 USBs. So if you're looking for a great way to charge your MacBook, you get 2 of these. Definitely check this out, and a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so good to distribute.